迎出席第49屆香港國際電影節記者招待會。
一句精警難忘嘅對白咧，可以令你想起一個演員、一個場景，甚至一部電影。今年嘅設計就係以對白同電影對話。我哋非常高興咧，邀請到好年輕嘅演員袁麗琳小姐做呢一屆嘅電影大使。
非常之開心，同埋都有啲緊張嘅。都藉住今次，其實我好深刻咁反思咗自己同電影嘅關係。有一句説話叫 connect the dots 啊，我就係將好多你生活上面感受過嘅嘢，或者見過嘅嘢，各種嘅直覺同埋各種嘅 sense， 突然間或者就係咁，係一個好微妙嘅過程嚟嘅。
歡迎大家嚟臨第49屆香港國際電影節嘅開幕典禮，
即刻為熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎焦點影人古天樂先生。
其實我覺得共鳴係好緊要嘅，觀眾睇完一部戲佢冇共鳴嘅，佢又唔知你拍乜嘅，甚至乎佢睇完之後唔感同身受嘅，咁係冇用㗎啦。未來呢個世界係會不停有好多新嘅科技話俾你聽，究竟點樣去欣賞一個電影。
我哋熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎我哋第一部開幕電影《燦悔有時》嘅導演中島哲也。
プロの俳優と、素人ではあるけれどもものすごく魅力的な障害のある子どもたちとの演技の対決を見ていただいて、どちらが魅力的であったかを映畫を見て判斷していただければ僕は嬉しいと思います。
接住落嚟，我哋有請第二部開幕電影《耀南范世》嘅團隊。
呢一部電影做採訪嘅期間咧，就發覺到呢個社會嘅問題，我哋就揾咗香港嘅團隊構思同埋籌備呢部電影。
今日係古獨不嘅隆重首映《耀南 Premiere by the name of Montage of a Modern Motherhood》。
成套戲入邊，淑貞嗰個狀態就係佢好想去求助，佢冇辦法求助，佢喺個廁所好孤立，可能佢情緒到嘅時候，但係佢都唔可以宣泄咯。佢點樣去理解佢同佢太太愛情關係呢？點樣唔係好刻板地去呈現嗰種關係呢？就係嗰個功夫所在。
我哋去拍呢4個人物咧，佢哋不斷去同大自然接近嘅時候咧，都有好多反思啦，同佢哋人生嘅故事有好多嘅療愈啦。今日我嘅團隊都喺度啦，我都好多謝佢哋陪我去完成呢個作品啦。
喺呢個時間都見到有咁多人嚟睇呢部戲，令我深深咁樣感受到呢個宇宙係真係有神。
非常之多謝大家嚟到電影《不赦之罪》嘅香港首映禮。
自己有一個經歷就其實係好影響我點解咁想拍呢個故事。當我睇到 Anton 嗰個劇本都係講一個類似嘅主題嘅時候，都好想拍呢一個戲。好似牧師嘅角色啦，佢好想強迫自己放低個傷痛，佢人生都冇答案啦，即係究竟面對苦痛應該點樣做呢？
He's here for us for the masterclass, the exceptional Mr. Albert Serra.
If I put the camera, it's because the camera will give me something I don't know, myself and of course to the audience. So this is the only reason to make a film.
大家好，我係安藤演形が。国境を越えて出会えて、こんなたくさんの方と同じ一本の映画を共有して、同じ女優っていう仲間と初めて香港でも会えて、なんかこの瞬間を緊張して考えたことだけで埋め尽くすのはとってももったいないじゃないですか。私たち今この瞬間は私たちにしか共有できない瞬間だなと思うと。
Let's put our hands together for the director, Mr. Leoskar Hart.
Filmmaker can't do anything. I'm not a dancer, I'm not an acrobat, but I like to film actors or people trying to fly away, trying to run and leave gravity and to escape. When I was young, my 3 first films were all about that, to turn, motion into emotion. That's cinema. That's how it was created.
This is his first time in Hong Kong, so please warmly welcome Mr. Yuho Sportsman.
Can I direct something so that I know how to be on set? I didn't really care about the content or anything about it. And my wife told me once when I came home, I've never seen you so happy during shootings. ah, that's true. Yes, because I don't care. I'm just like going to work, being happy after it.
香港國際電影節，我哋今日一個名家講座，大家等咗好耐啦。今晚嘅主角古天樂先生。
究竟香港電影係咪易死咧？佢會唔會死咧？
電影係唔會死嘅，香港都唔會死嘅，我哋都唔會死嘅。如果今次我哋都唔認真去換一次血咧，我哋贏唔到我哋真正香港電影嘅未來。而家叫做有啲份量嘅演員，其實都已經係即係50幾歲都算後生。咁所以我覺得必須要大家開始有一個諗法就係咩咧？就係扶後邊嘅所有新人一定要上嚟，唔係淨係台前，係幕後都係。
今晚係我哋嘅法國之夜。Tonight is the French night.
The festival has always given a special place to French cinema. This year is no exception, with no less than 62 French productions and co-productions as part of its exciting lineup. Tonight, we are very pleased to present to you Annette, directed by Leos Carax, who has made us the great honor of being with us tonight. Merci beaucoup. Have a very good evening.
各位嘉賓、各位觀眾，多謝大家出席第49屆香港國際電影節火鳥大獎頒獎禮。